this is the right place to go para hindi kayo kalawangin. But at the same time, you get also to relax your mind by playing this game, okay? Pochi, kakarating mo lang. At then, oh, ano na, parang nasa papunta na tayo sa end ng live. Okay, but it's good, nakahabol ka. Let's do this, guys. Timer starts now for our next game. Let's do another game. This will be our second to the last game, guys. Okay? Timer starts now. What's the first word? Queen. Queen be first word. Dali, no. It's not Queen. I think the first word is Noise by John Kevin. Noise. Sana meron N-O-I-S-E. Yes, John Kevin, you got the first word. Noise. Please, P-L-E-A-S-E-D. Very good. Liz, L-E-A-S-E. Nice word. Queen meron. Q-U-E-E-N. Very good. Loin, L-O-I-N. Very good. Pace, P-A-C-E-D. Nice word. Cruises, C-R-U-I-S-E-S. C-R-U-I-S-E-S. Wow, that's a nice connection of letters. Please, meron please. Actually, pwede siya lagyan ng D. P-L-E-A-S-E-D. Pwede siya lagyan ng D. Lind, L-E, L-E, L-E-A. Oh, wait lang. Paano siya? L-E-A. Guys, pwede ba yung Lind? Parang di ko siya mabuo. N-M, thank you sa pag-share ng live. Yung Earl meron, E-A-R-L. E, E-A-R-L. Dito pala siya. What else? Cruise, meron cruise. Actually, cruises, di ba? Cruises yun. Pwede. C-R-U-I-S-E-S. Very good. Queen, pwede siya lagyan ng E-D. Q-U-E-E-N-E-D. Okay, alone, A-L-O-N-E. Very good. Meron alone. What else? I think I saw the word, ano ba yun? Peninsula? P-E-N-A, P-E-N-A, N-S-U-L-A. Guys, yung peninsula, alam ko yun. Pwede siya lagyan ng R, di yun? Peninsular? Ang alam ko lang kasi hanggang peninsula. What do you mean by the word peninsular? Pero ang ganda ng word, ha? Pleases. P-L-E-A, P-L, P-L-E-A-S. Hindi yata pwedeng pleases kasi P-L-E-A-S lang. Yung please pala hindi pwede. Ay, hindi pwede. P-L-E-A-S-E-D. Pwede pa rin please. Pwede. Sorry. Noises pwede. Ayun, may word doon na peninsular as confirmed by John Kevin. Okay. Pat, thank you also for the confirmation. Pochi, thank you. Cruz.